Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to quit Rocket Money. I know that Rocket Money is a popular app, and it can be a great way to save money on bills and subscriptions. However, there are some reasons why you might want to consider quitting Rocket Money. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the pros and cons of using Rocket Money, and I'll also share some tips on how to cancel your subscription. Pros of using Rocket Money. Rocket Money can help you save money on bills and subscriptions. It does this by negotiating with your providers on your behalf and finding you better deals. Rocket Money is easy to use. The app is very user-friendly, and it's easy to set up and start using. Rocket Money is free to use. You can sign up for a free account and start using the app right away. Cons of using Rocket Money. Rocket Money is not always successful in negotiating lower bills. In some cases, your providers may not be willing to negotiate with Rocket Money. Rocket Money may not be able to find you the best deals. There are other apps and websites that can help you save money on bills and subscriptions. Rocket Money may collect your personal information. Rocket Money collects your personal information, such as your name, address, and bank account information. This information is then shared with third-party providers. How to quit Rocket Money. If you're considering quitting Rocket Money, here are a few tips. Cancel your subscription. You can cancel your subscription by going to the app's settings and selecting Cancel Subscription. Delete the app. Once you've canceled your subscription, you can delete the app from your device. Contact Rocket Money customer service. If you have any questions or concerns about quitting Rocket Money, you can contact their customer service team. Rocket Money can be a great way to save money on bills and subscriptions. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before deciding whether or not to use it. If you're considering quitting Rocket Money, I recommend taking the following steps. Cancel your subscription. Delete the app. Contact Rocket Money customer service. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy. Shop around for the best deals. Don't just rely on Rocket Money to find you the best deals. There are other apps and websites that can help you save money on bills and subscriptions. Be patient. It may take some time for Rocket Money to negotiate lower bills for you. Be aware of the risks. Rocket Money collects your personal information, so it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using the app. I hope these tips help you make an informed decision about whether or not to use Rocket Money. If you're interested in learning more about how to save money on bills and subscriptions, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos on this topic in the future. Thanks for watching.